This platform is Google Classroom, and I use this for all of my classes at the high school. You go in here, and then this shows all your different classes that you have in Google Classroom. So this plus sign is where you would add a class, and let's say I want to create a class, and let's say it is a computer class. You can put in section, subject, room number. You hit create. And see if it'll load here. There we go. There we are. So here would be the computer. You have the stream, which is just your main page, where you would add classwork and different assignments. And then people is where you're going to add your students. So students can actually go onto Google Classroom, and when I hit that plus sign, it said join a class or create a class. So if you hit join a class, you can give your students this class code. They put that in, they're automatically joined into your class. If you hit this plus sign here, you can invite students to join the class. And then if you're co-teaching a class, you can add other teachers to your class. So let's go to classwork and say we want to add an assignment. So you can hit create. You can see here you can add an assignment, you can ask a question, you can add material, you can reuse posts, you can add different topics. We'll create a question first. And I know I keep using food, but that's the only thing coming to my head right now. So what is your favorite food? Then let's say we ask, and then down here, oops, sorry, it said short answer, or you could change it to multiple choice. Then if you go to your stream, there's your question. Students can get on their end and they can answer that. Let's say we want to create an assignment, and this is my favorite part. So let's say advertisement. You can add an attachment. So say you have a PDF or a Word document or something like that, you would choose the attachment button. You can add things from your Google Drive. You can embed videos from YouTube, and then you can also share links from Google. So we'll go to my Google Drive here, and we'll do Canva ads since that's right there. You click add, and then you can have how many points it's worth, or if you want to hit ungraded here, let's say it's worth 50, you can put in a due date. So we'll say it's due October 19th. You can add a time if you want to. If you added topics, you can add it into a topic. So we'll create topic. Maybe we'll say this is a semester project. Then here, students can view files, so when they get on their end, they're just able to open it up and view it. However, if you'd like them to go into the file and be able to type right into the document, you can have students can edit file, which every student would be editing the same file, or you can hit make a copy for each student. This one's my favorite, so you click assign. There we go. I'm going to go back to one of my classes that's already created so I can show you this. This is my entrepreneurship class. This advertisement, I created a copy for each student. So if you click on it here, you can see the document that they have. So this is the document they have. However, when they open it, they are able to type in it, and they each have their own copy. So if I go over here to my assigned students, you can see each of my students has their own copy. So if I click on a student, I can go in, and although they haven't turned this in yet, I can go in here and actually see what they've been working on, how much of the assignment they've completed, where they're at. and different things like that. You can also add a grade within, so say I open up their document, I read it, I can make comments in there, I can add a grade, and then I can return it to the student. I love Google Classroom. Again, you can see it here. I use it in all of my classes. It's a great way. Students can't lose their assignments when it's in here. They can work on it at school. They can work on it at home. And then when they turn things in, I don't lose it either. I don't have a stack of papers on my desk. I've kind of gone mostly electronically. We still have paper assignments. But this is just a great way for students to be able to use technology, be able to create their assignments or finish their assignments all in one place, and turn it in. And my favorite part is I can go in and see what students are working on, how far they've gotten. If they need help on something, I can leave comments. And then standards. Explore and apply instructional design principles to create innovative digital learning environments that engage and support learning. And then candidates design and facilitate diverse learning activities that incorporate digital tools and resources. And again, this is Google Classroom.